Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete Roblox from your PC. So just open up the magnifying glass or your computer's search, and then here we're going to type apps, like so, apps and features, and select this option system settings. So from here you will get a list of all of your currently installed applications, and right here where it says search this list, we want to type Roblox. And you will most probably have both the Roblox Studio and the Roblox player, but if you want to delete the main Roblox game, you are going to delete the player. You can delete both as well if you would like. So just click on uninstall and then uninstall again. And as you can see, it was a very quick process. Now we don't have Roblox installed, and we can repeat the same process for Roblox Studio as well, and it will say Roblox Studio has been uninstalled. It is as simple as that. That's how you uninstall or delete Roblox from your PC. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.